Habari Mbafu Destroyer. Unaongea na Mosiria. Mbona unasema ati mimi nilipitia? Let me ask you. Mimi nilikulipia gym. Na nikakusort kila kitu mpaka nikalipa trainer. Then why naona video zinatoka saa hii ati Mosiria alipitisha 200,000? What for?
No, the guy which came with my manager.
Your manager ndiye alitoa hiyo story?
He was the one who came up with the story. Even he was the one he was the one who even told Obina the story. And he even told me to be cautious. Yeah.
Let me tell you this.
I can even add him to the call.
Nilipa kocha ama sikumlipa bro?
You paid.
I paid. When you are going to from one media to another saying Mosiria yako kusaidia bro, sasa hiyo si kuniharibia jina.
Kweli.
So when you go to media and mentioning that Mosiria promised to get a coach did not materialize.
No, they have just exaggerated. You know,
I went out of my way to help you, and I did the part which I told you. I'll pay the coach, I will pay the gym, but when you go you say that haiku materialize na ulienda ukatrain ama ukwenda huko ukatrain.
I just went I went. I'm so sorry. Human beings were made for errors, right?
Sasa habari yako?
Nzuri sana.
Naongea na babake Mbavu Destroyer.
Yes, unaongea na babake Mbavu Destroyer.
Sasa naomba uongee na huyo kijana kwa sababu aliacha kuenda training pale. Mara anaingia kwa mitandao akianza kusema ati Mosiria yako mlipia. Mzee wewe mwenyewe ulikuja ukajionea. Si ulifika pale mpaka tukaenda mpaka kwa gym mpaka mahali ana train kwa boxing.
Tulienda.
Basi mwambie kijana wako akiitwa interview acha kuniharibia jina mimi. I don't like watu wenye wanaenda wakiongea kwa mitandao wakichafulia wengine jina. Na bona anaenda mara anasema ati nimemuitisha 200,000. Mimi namuitisha pesa ya nini na mimi mwenyewe nimemlipia? Ya nini namuomba? Namuitisha ya nini?
Siku ya kwanza si ndiye alikuja akasema kuna wewe watu walikuwa wanasema si ulimuitisha, tulikuwa na wewe kwa pale kwa mesa.
Wakati tulikaa na yeye. Mimi kama Mosiria nilimuitisha 200,000 ama akilipwa anipe 200,000 mzee ulikuwa pale.
Tulikuwa, lakini wakati alikuja ulikuwa ushasikia hiyo maneno ndio akakwambia naye pia hakuwa anajua pengine huyu manager ndiye alikuwa amechora hizo vitu, yeye hakuwa na ufahamu yote kuhusu jambo kama hilo.
Let me just explain it to you, sir. Like I was shifting the other day. So actually you told me to call Swale in case of anything, right? So on that night, I was actually stranded and I called Swale. And I told him that I had already took a pickup guy. And I have already packed my things. So I actually told Swale, if you actually have 2K, you can assist me with. So that I pay the pickup guy because I have already paid the house, right? So actually, like Swale told me, just wait for a second, then I'll get back to you. Yeah. Even Swale himself talked to the pickup driver. On that day, I actually waited. Till today, I'm still waiting. So, like I just decided, let it be. Let me just focus on other things and train from home because the expenses. And I also didn't want you to spend that much on me, you know. Yeah.
So, did you call me?
No, I didn't call because you told me in case of anything.
I told you to call Swale. If Swale did not sort you, did you inform me?
No, I didn't call you, sir.
So, if you didn't call me,
personally,
me, no, you are okay. You came with your father. I showed you
actually,
where the gym is.
Like even
the
my dad
coach.
asked me. Even my dad asked me if Mosiria, like if Honorable Mosiria asked you to contact Swale in case of anything. What if you were in danger and then you contacted Swale and this was the response? What would you have done?
Let me ask you.
Yeah, sure.
In the absence of, if Swale was not sorting your problem, what were you to do?
I was supposed to call you, sir.
Did you call me?
No, I didn't do that.
When you go to media and mentioning that Mosiria promised to get a coach did not materialize.
No, they have just exaggerated. You know, sometimes people also do it.
I did my part. Let me tell you. I did my part. I got you a coach.
And I really appreciated that,
sir. Got you, I paid for the gym.
Yeah, sure.
And I even told you we are willing to get you a house near to the gym where you can be walking a walking distance.
The other day I went with the guy you told. The other day I went with the guy you told to look for me a house.
Already he told me he had gotten the house. You went?
The environment wasn't even that. Like you could have even just went there yourself. You could have just said this or no. Okay? Because even he, like PIA, he knows that the Palevo boys are so rude, first of all. Drug trafficking, second. Alcoholism. So can you stay somewhere like that?
Okay. Did you give me that feedback?
No, I actually told him that I can't stay here. I told him like because I was with my dad.
Did you give me the feedback?
No, I didn't, because I knew he had already given you, because he's your right-hand man, sir.
Boss, when I send someone with you and you are not satisfied, you are supposed to call me.
That one I wasn't aware of. That.
Let me answer on this call.
Okay.
Because staki ukienda kwa interview na niharibia jina, bro. You know,
sure,
media will pick anything.
Yeah.
I did my part. Nilipa kocha ama sikumlipa, bro?
You paid. Okay.
Because when you are going to from one media to another saying Mosiri yako kusaidia, bro, sasa hiyo si kuniharibia jina.
Kweli.
I went out of my way to help you, and I did the part which I told you. I'll pay the coach, I will pay the gym, and we agreed. I was even willing to get you a house near the gym. When you went with my people there, if you were not satisfied, you should have come back to me uniambie nyewe huyu jamaa mahali amenipeleka hiyo nyumba ijafanya nini, ija nifurahisha, na unieleze hizo. Ndio nataka kueleza. Maybe you didn't know at the moment, but what I want to tell you is this.
Yeah.
You should have told me this is the feedback.
Okay.
Kwa sababu sasa when you are moving around, si watu wanasema ni kama Mosiri alikuwa tu anakutumia for PR. Si hiyo ndio watu watasema. But I did my part. Like I promised. So please, all but I'm requesting.
Okay.
When you are going to any other interview, know how to put your words.
Okay, I had this.
Yeah. Usileta hata useme ulikosa fare ya kufika kwa gym mahali nikulipia, people will come out and support you including me. But when you go, you say that haiku materialize na ulienda ukatrain, ama ukuenda huko ukatrain?
I just went like I went.
Please, wache kwa hivyo. But still, the room is, the opportunity is still there. The payment has been made.
Okay.
You can always go there and utilize it. But if you have gotten a different trainer, it's okay.
Okay, I'm sorry, sir, on my behalf, actually. I'm so sorry, sir. Human beings were made for errors, right?
Sasa, asante sana, but I did my part. Okay. Na the offer is still there, and sababu mwezi haije expire.
Yeah, sure.
So, please, wacha to maintain hiyo respect tumekuwa nao mimi na nisionekane kwamba mimi nilikutumia. Mimi sijakutumia. I did my part.
Yeah.
And I was willing even to get you a house near the gym, of which, if you went with that person I gave you, and you didn't like it, you were to give me the feedback, because the person said you refused. You said you have already gotten another house. So how was I to come again and say that now you can move to this place? Si already mimi nimepata jibu kwamba umesema uko sawa. Hata mimi nilisema kama amesema ampata nyingine, basi ni sawa.
Yeah, sure. I'm so sorry, son, my dear.
Kwa sababu hata so please, niyo tu. Na I wish you all the best, na bado we shall continue supporting you.
Okay, I still had my promise to you, sir. That's gonna work out.
Yeah, usituangushe.
That's lazima.
Okay.